Did you know that AI-powered trading algorithms can analyze millions of data points in just seconds? This allows them to identify profitable trading opportunities that humans might miss. Today, I want to talk about a phenomenon that's been gaining popularity among investors: AI trading. The idea of letting robots manage your investments might sound like science fiction, but trust me, it's very real. I've been exploring this world for a while now, and I've seen some incredible results. In this video, I'll share my personal journey with AI trading and how it's changed the way I approach investing. More and more people are jumping on the AI trading bandwagon, and for good reason. The potential to make millions without lifting a finger is incredibly enticing. But before we dive into the benefits, let's talk about why traditional investors are looking for alternatives. Many of us have been there, stuck in a cycle of emotional trading, making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. We've all bought high and sold low at some point, only to regret it later. The truth is, humans are prone to making suboptimal investment decisions. We're emotional, we're biased, and we're limited by our own knowledge and experiences. Emotional trading is just one of the many challenges that traditional investors face. There's also the issue of time. We only have so many hours in a day to dedicate to research and analysis. And even then, we can only process so much information before our brains get tired. This is where AI trading comes in. Machines can work 24/7, analyzing vast amounts of data to identify profitable trades. Another major issue with traditional investing is the lack of diversification. Many of us stick to what we know, whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate. But the truth is, the market is constantly evolving, and we need to adapt quickly. AI trading algorithms can help us diversify our portfolios, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. I've spoken to many investors who are hesitant to try new things, fearing that AI trading is too complex or too risky. But the reality is, AI trading is just a tool. It's up to us to use it wisely. I'll admit, it takes some getting used to, but the results are well worth it. I've also met investors who are convinced that AI trading is a zero-sum game, that someone else's win is always someone else's loss. But that's not necessarily true. AI trading can be a win-win situation for everyone involved. By removing emotions from the equation, AI algorithms can identify opportunities that benefit all parties. The list of challenges faced by traditional investors goes on and on. There's the issue of information overload, the lack of transparency, and the limited access to markets. AI trading solves many of these problems, allowing us to invest more efficiently and effectively. So, how does AI trading actually work? At its core, it's based on complex algorithms that analyze vast amounts of data. These algorithms use machine learning to identify patterns and trends, predicting market movements with uncanny accuracy. One of the most fascinating things about AI trading is the concept of data analysis. Machines can process enormous amounts of data, identifying relationships that would be impossible for humans to detect. This allows AI algorithms to make predictions based on probability, rather than emotion or rumor. I've personally experimented with several AI trading platforms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some platforms use technical analysis, others use fundamental analysis, and some use a combination of both. The results are often astounding, with returns that far surpass those of traditional investments. One of the most impressive things about AI trading is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. Machines can respond immediately to news and events, adjusting their trading strategies in real time. This allows AI algorithms to stay ahead of the curve, capitalizing on opportunities that humans might miss. As I delved deeper into the world of AI trading, I began to realize the sheer scale of its potential. I saw how machines could identify profitable trades in fractions of a second, executing them with precision and accuracy. It was like nothing I'd ever seen before. But AI trading isn't without its risks. There are concerns about over-reliance on technology, about the potential for bias in algorithms, and about the lack of transparency in some platforms. As with any investment, it's crucial to do your due diligence and understand the risks involved. Despite the risks, my personal experience with AI trading has been incredibly positive. I've seen returns that I never thought possible, and I've gained a new perspective on the markets. For me, AI trading has been a game changer. There was a moment in my AI trading journey that really stood out to me. I was experimenting with a new platform, and I saw an opportunity that looked too good to be true. The algorithm was recommending a trade that seemed counterintuitive, but I decided to trust the machine. The result was a significant gain, one that surpassed all my expectations. That moment was a turning point for me. It showed me the true potential of AI trading and the incredible power of letting robots manage my investments. It was a wake-up call, reminding me that machines are often smarter than we are. The benefits of AI trading are clear. It allows us to invest more efficiently, more effectively, and with less risk. It gives us the freedom to focus on other things, knowing that our investments are being managed by machines. But AI trading isn't just about the benefits, it's also about the journey. It's about learning to trust machines, learning to adapt to new technologies, and learning to see the world in a different way. As I look back on my AI trading journey, I'm reminded of the importance of staying open-minded. I was skeptical at first, but I'm glad I took the leap. The results have been incredible, and I'm excited to see what the future holds. If you're considering AI trading, I urge you to take the plunge. It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's worth it. And if you're already using AI trading, I'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my next video on the best AI trading platforms available. See you in the next one.